Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, the scale just won't budge? You try eating healthy, cutting sweets, following all the diet rules, and yet nothing changes. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many women unknowingly sabotage their weight loss by consuming foods they think are healthy. The key isn't just counting calories or exercising more, it's about knowing which foods fuel fat burning and which block it. In this video, you'll discover 5 common foods that could be stopping you from losing weight, even if you think you're eating right. The best part? You won't have to starve or give up delicious meals. Stick around until the end for a practical list to help you avoid these mistakes and finally achieve the results you want. So if you're ready to transform your body and health, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Why some foods block weight loss. Many believe that cutting calories or following trendy diets is the secret to weight loss. But your body is more complex than that. The foods you eat impact your hormones, metabolism, and hunger levels. Myth versus reality. The food industry markets light, sugar-free, and diet products as healthy, but they often contain hidden ingredients that disrupt metabolism and increase fat storage. Hormonal impact. Foods high in hidden sugars, artificial sweeteners, and inflammatory oils spike hormones like insulin and cortisol, leading to fat accumulation, especially around the belly. Processed foods. Artificial ingredients cause inflammation, bloating, and insulin resistance, key barriers to weight loss. Now let's break down the 5 worst foods you should cut or replace to finally unlock fat-burning mode. 1. Healthy, processed foods. Products labeled as light, sugar-free, and diet might seem like good choices, but they often contain harmful ingredients. Granola bars and healthy snacks. Many contain glucose syrup, fructose, and artificial additives that spike insulin and disrupt fat burning. Better choice? Whole foods like nuts, boiled eggs, or low-sugar fruits. Light yogurts and flavored dairy, packed with sugar or artificial sweeteners that disrupt hunger hormones. Better choice? Plain, unsweetened yogurt with fresh fruit. Store-bought fruit juices. Even 100% fruit juices lack fiber, causing insulin spikes. Better choice? Whole fruits or unsweetened herbal teas. These processed foods might seem harmless, but they sabotage your weight loss. Next, let's talk about hidden carbs. 2. Hidden carbohydrates. It's not just about how many carbs you eat, but the type. Some carbs spike insulin, making you hungrier and blocking fat loss. Whole wheat bread and healthy crackers often contain refined flour and added sugars, spiking blood sugar levels like white bread. Better choice? Scrambled eggs with avocado or low-carb bread alternatives. Granola and breakfast cereals, loaded with hidden sugars and lack fiber, causing sugar crashes. Better choice? Homemade granola or chia seeds with yogurt. Fruit juices and smoothies. Even without added sugars, they lack fiber, leading to insulin spikes. Better choice? Eat whole fruits or opt for unsweetened drinks. Now, let's move on to inflammatory oils that silently sabotage your metabolism. 3. Inflammatory oils. The type of fat you consume determines whether your body burns or stores fat. Some oils cause inflammation and slow metabolism. Refined vegetable oils, soybean, canola, corn, sunflower. Highly processed and oxidized, disrupting hormones and increasing fat storage. Better choice? Extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, or ghee. Margarine and vegetable spreads contain trans fats, which interfere with hunger hormones and increase disease risk. Better choice? Natural butter or ghee. These oils are in many foods and could be blocking fat burning. Next, let's talk about dairy products and their hidden effects on weight loss. 4. Dairy products. Dairy is promoted as a great source of calcium and protein, but some types can hinder weight loss. Cow's milk and conventional dairy contains growth hormones and lactose, which can cause bloating and increase insulin levels. Better choice? Unsweetened almond, coconut, or cashew milk. Processed cheeses, loaded with preservatives and unhealthy fats, which cause inflammation and fluid retention. Better choice? Goat cheese, feta, or kefir. Dairy can be a roadblock for many, but the biggest villain? Hidden sugars. 5. Hidden sugars. Sugar is one of the biggest culprits behind weight gain. The worst part? It's hidden in almost everything. Fit and sugar-free products often contain artificial sweeteners that increase cravings and disrupt metabolism. Better choice? Natural sweeteners like stevia or erythritol. Store-bought sauces and condiments, ketchup, BBQ sauce, and salad dressings contain large amounts of sugar. Better choice? Homemade dressings with olive oil and vinegar, breads, pasta, and baked goods. Even savory foods may contain hidden sugars, leading to energy crashes and cravings. Better choice? Low-carb versions made with almond or coconut flour. By reducing hidden sugars, you'll have better energy levels and control over hunger. Now you know which foods have been secretly sabotaging your weight loss. Healthy processed foods, loaded with artificial ingredients, hidden carbohydrates, sneakily raising blood sugar levels, inflammatory oils, slowing metabolism and increasing fat storage, dairy products, disrupting hormones and digestion, hidden sugars, fueling cravings and blocking fat burning. The good news? Small changes lead to big results. You don't need to cut everything at once. Start making better choices today. If you're ready for a real transformation, swap these foods for healthier alternatives. Your body will thank you. Now tell me, which of these foods surprised you the most? Have you been eating any of them? Let's chat in the comments. Before you go, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this video with someone who needs this information. Let's reach our goals together.